Do you want to start live streaming and actually get paid? Most people skip this step and it's costing them. Here's exactly how to set up your Poppo live account the right way in under 60 seconds. So what you need to do is, first of all, you click the link that I've planted in the description section and you will land on this page. When you get here, click download. You will land on this page, click install. Once it's fully installed, click open. When this pops up, just click OK. Then when you get here, I want you to take note of this. You need to click allow, and then you check in at the bottom there. Here. After you check in, you choose login with Gmail. Then choose the email address with which you're going to register. Okay, so what you do is you hit agree and share. So when you get here, make sure you fill in all the details. If you're male, make sure you choose male. If you're female, choose female. Don't choose male if you're female because you can't reverse this. And then you choose the country, which is unchangeable, okay? If you're in the US, you choose the US, okay? Pretty important. So you can change your name here. Then you can also change the date of birth. When you notice that everything is okay, you can now click submit. Alright, so after working on this, you can now tap at the bottom here and then punch in 7727300. So that's the inviter's ID, okay? And submit. We are in, so I'll click the X icon here so as to cancel that. So let me quickly show you how to set up everything. You can click receive. So if they ask you to, if they say requesting location access, you can either confirm or just cancel. Now, if you confirm, it'll be easier for you to trace people within the region where you are, okay? And the feed will always bring people are streaming from your region, and it will be much easier for you to interact with them. So it's wiser to simply click confirm. Let me introduce you to the interface. What's at the bottom is the home page, where you're likely to find people are streaming live. When you click there, you'll be able to watch what they're doing, okay? The second tab enshrines the party clubs. You can click there, you join and see what's happening. Okay, it's part of the tasks that you have to do on a daily basis, okay? Then the fourth embraces the messages that you receive from the system, as well as from those people that are texting you on the app. Then the fifth tab is the profile tab. So it will enable you to see exactly the features of the platform. So let me tap somewhere here. They're saying click to complete your profile. We can click on top there. So if you want to edit your features, you click the pencil icon there. And you can set up everything here, right? You can add tags to find people who resonate with you. The country, United Kingdom, self-introduction. You can click there so as to punch in the introduction about yourself. Let's go back to the main page. Alright, so the next thing that you need to do is to make sure that you authenticate your account. This is very important because it determines your ability to go live, and it secures you a spot for you to participate in super salaries. Okay, so I'll do a video specifically on that. So in the meantime, let me show you how to authenticate your account. So you swipe up and then you click here where it reads auth. So here, when you click on top where it reads first authentication, all you have to do is you click here where it reads start to certify, and then you imitate the avatar. Whatever it will be saying, you do just that. If you're told to look left, you look left. If you're told to look right, you look right. If you're told to blink, you simply do so, and this will go through. And then when you're done with that part, you move on to phone, to bind the phone. When you click here, you can actually check. You can check for your country on this list. And then you punch it in. A code will be sent to your phone, which you need to enter here so as to authenticate your account. When you authenticate your account, is security of your account, you click in the top right there, and then you finish up all these settings. So this is how you go about setting up your account for success. And if you enjoyed this video, it has helped you in one way or the other, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to share with those who might need this information. And then on top of that, I urge you to watch the next video. I have a series of videos on this channel, so click the next video so as to check out what you haven't yet known about Poppo Live. See you in the next video.